This is your spacious living and dining area. This over here is your kitchen space. You can see this over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Guru Kripa Gyanam by Guru Kripa Realcon located in Powai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can see the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. Also, this over here is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. Now we will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.17 acres that has a standalone tower of ground plus 15 stories, having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Now, talking about the amenities, this project has all basic amenities like party lawn, jogging track, viewing deck, meditation zone, kids play area and more. Now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Hirapanna, Powai, from where JVLR is only at a distance of 1 minute, Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 10 minutes, Powai Plaza is only at a distance of 5 minutes, Aqualine Metro Station is only at a distance of 2 minutes, and Hiranandani Hospital is only at a distance of 5 minutes from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we will be doing the 2.5 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Guru Kripa Gyanam. And this 2.5 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 837 square feet. As you can see, I'm standing at the entrance and this will be your foyer area. And towards the right, we have your 0.5 area that you can customize as per your choice. You can make this your library, your mandir, or you can use it as per your choice. And as we enter, this is your spacious living and dining area. You can see your living is very spacious to place your sofas, center tables, and to customize your TV unit. You can also see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat, and also in the living, you will be getting full French windows with a balcony attached. You can see the balcony is spacious enough to place your tea tables, tea chairs, or you can use it as per your choice. And over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a dining table of 4 to 6 people and enjoy mealtime with your family. Moving forward, this over here is your kitchen space. You can see the kitchen is very spacious. You will be getting platforms provided. Ventilation windows are also provided. You have plenty of walkable space. You have also place provided to place your refrigerator in one corner and your washing machine in another corner. And right in front of the kitchen, we have your common bedroom. This is the space of your common bedroom that you can see is very spacious to place your king or queen size bed. Along with the side table, you can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. Also, you can customize your wardrobes in this corner. You can customize your TV unit, your study corner or your makeup corner, and you will also be getting full French windows with a glass railing to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. Also, you will be getting lake view in some of the inventories. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. And over here, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, let me show you the master bedroom of this 2.5 BHK. This over here is the space of your master bedroom. You can easily place your king and queen size bed. You can also make a seating corner. You can customize your TV unit, your study or your makeup corner, and you will be getting full French windows with a glass railing for standing balcony look. You can see the bedroom is very spacious. Even after placing all the furniture, you can customize your wardrobe over here. And one of the best part is that you have a walk-in space where you can customize your makeup corner as well. Attached to which we have your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, the best part about the project is that you will be getting false ceilings provided along with all the lights and fans, and AC is provided in the master bedroom. And this was a 2.5 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Guru Kripa Gyanam. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.